you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and we're going to be starting our Octoberfest. In other words, I'm going to have a food pantry recipe for you every time I do a food pantry haul. And I've got a food pantry haul for you today. And the recipe, well, you'll see. Come on, let's see what I got. We're going to start from the left to the right. Okay. I have a wonderful bag of celery. Huge celery stalks. There, had to get that open. I wanted you to see. Oh, it smells so good. This is great. Look at this. Now, this, of course, is going to be our recipe today. Can you guess what it's going to be? I'll tell you at the end. Write down below what you think I'm going to make, okay? We also got a bag of onions. Some of them on their last legs, but that's okay. We can cut that part off and use the rest. We're also going to use this in a recipe, another recipe, too. Now, I got an interesting item right here. I've never seen this. It is pesto focaccia, maker's mark, bread. Pesto focaccia bread. I've never had this before. Looks good. Look at that. Oh, yeah. You know what? That would make some... Oh, I bet this would make some good garlic bread. I'm going to save this. I got an idea. Jumping over here, we've got some white rice. Perfect for fall and soups. And speaking of fall and soups, we got some yellow split peas. Yellow split pea soup, or as I call it, golden deliciousness, is good. You guys will love that. Quaker oats, oatmeal, quick, 1 minute. Also good for making cookies. Of course, good for breakfast. You can make all kinds of things with this. Now, I got some macaroni and cheese, which I'll use the pasta in here in my soups, or my macaroni and cheese. Hello, Mr. Skeleton. We also got some of that wonderful tuna fish. Now, you guys are going to laugh at me, but those of you out there that have exotic pets, like maybe a crab or some type of a lizard, they love this stuff. Miss Nina, what are you doing? She's been wanting to be in all the videos lately. Hello, Miss Nina. Check it out, nieces and nephews. We got some soup. Cream of chicken. And oh, look at this. When you're buying your soup, look for this. Healthy request. Reason being, it has a much lower sodium content. Here we go. 410 milligrams. Usually soup is like 7 to 8 to 1,000. Then we got some tomato soup. And this one has a low sodium. Let me check and make sure. Yes. There we go. So it's a lower sodium content in that too. I like that. Whole kernel corn. I can pronounce it finally. Some cut green beans. Some low sodium tomato sauce. Wonderful stuff. I got 2 cans of that. Then I got some cut sweet potatoes. Oh, you know I love some candied yams. But you can also make a sweet potato pie out of this. That'd be really good. Love me some deep sea pink salmon. Love this. I'm going to look up a recipe for this. I don't want to tell you what it is because I want to make sure I can make it. And I want to make sure it comes out good because Lord knows. But if it don't come out good, I'll still show you the video. Now, fruit cocktail in pear juice. You know what? This makes the best smoothies you cannot imagine. Just wonderful. Then I got some peanut butter and jelly. Have you guys ever made a peanut butter and jelly birthday cake? They're so cool. Or you can do it for a Halloween cake. and decorate it up and make it look kind of spooky. Yeah. Then we got some ground beef, 73% lean, 27% fat. Remember, you need some fat in your meat so it will taste good and not be dry. Then we got some pork patties. These are cool. They make cool sandwiches. Or you can put them in a gravy. Yes, you can. Make a meal out of that. Or chop them up and put them in a casserole. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Now you do have to watch your salt content. So what I would suggest, if you want less salt in them, boil them first. Yep. Then we got some chicken thighs. Absolutely wonderful. I can put these on the grill. I can also smoke them with some smoky chips. Oh, yes. Put them in your rotisserie. Debone them. Put them in soup. Put them in, grill them, put them in a salad. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Then we got some goodies. We got some donuts, of which Jay already got into, and as you see, made a mess. Oh, yeah. They gave out some light bulbs, which I needed. They're 100 watt, but that's okay. These can go outside and illuminate the outside of the house. That'll be good because it gets dark out there. Then look at this. They gave us a tray of cookies. I wonder if I can freeze these and save them for our Halloween party because that would be really good. And if I can keep Jay out of them. Let's give a gander at what we got. Ain't this cool? Oh, yes. Zoom. Look at that. All right, nieces and nephews, you saw what I got. Now, can you guess what I'm going to make for this Octoberfest? Cream of celery soup. Yes, I am. I've never made it before, and I've got an interesting way of making it because I've got some leftover broccoli broth from cooking some broccoli. So we're going to see how this goes. Now, don't be afraid to reach out to the food pantries like I'm doing, okay? It's good. You need to extend the budget, especially now with everything being so pricey. Yes. I want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com for recipe ideas, if you just want to chit chat, if you need help getting food and you're in the Chicagoland area or surrounding areas, let me know. I will be happy to bring you some food. All right? Now, like, comment, subscribe. Okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. And tune in for the celery recipe. Celery soup, cream of celery. Oh.